This is FIMI Mini 3, and today I'll show how you can check the maintenance details or the maintenance real-time statistics on this drone. So at the start, launch the dedicated FIMI Navi Mini app and enter device or open the camera view. Now press the gear icon to your top right to launch settings. Next, select the very last category that you'll find here, go into the maintenance mode, and now you can, check the drone body sensors here and their respective states and values. You can also check the IMU if you need to. If you'll get back, you can also see the gimbal sensor, real-time status, and the flight log if you have any flights already taken. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.